you for watching Syrian Eats. Today I'm going to show you how we are going to make pickled cabbage. This is a traditional Syrian pickle. It is very delicious. I have here half a cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 big spoons of sugar. I have 3 fresh beets, 1 head of cabbage, and I have a bowl here with an egg. You asked me, we're not going to put the egg in the pickles, but we use this egg to measure the salt content. And I'll show you how we're going to do that here in a little bit. And then of course we need salt, and you're going to need a glass jar. I'm going to get my beets cut up. You're going to slice them just like this. Careful your fingers. Please make sure you use a sharp knife. You're just going to want around just like that. We're gonna cut our cabbage. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it in half just like this. And you're gonna want to cut the stem out just like that. So after we cut it just like that, we're gonna go ahead and get our jar, and I'm going to go ahead and start sticking the cabbage in, just like this. And you wanna try to keep them together, just like that. And every now and then in between, you're gonna go ahead and add some beet inside. Sugar to the top just like that. We'll sprinkle it on the top, and then we are going to add our half a cup of vinegar, and I'm going to set this aside, and we're going to make our salt and water mixture. So I have my water mixture, and here's my egg. I'm going to put my egg aside. There's not an exact measurement of water, it just depends on how large your jar is. So I went ahead and just filled it up 3/4, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some salt. Now what we want is we want our egg to float. When our egg floats, it means our salt content is good, because if your salt and water is not good, your pickles, your pickled cabbage will not turn out crunchy, and it'll go bad. So I went ahead and added a little bit of salt, and I'm gonna see if our egg will float. And so here's the egg test. Okay, so it's not floating. Apparently We need more salt. And then your water is going to be on the salty side because that's how pickles are made. Just tap water. It's not warm and it's not too cold. It's just the right temperature. Okay, we need to see a dime size of the egg floating, like kind of like this. That's when it means our salt content is good. So I'm gonna take the egg out again. I'm gonna add a little more salt. Okay, do you see how our egg is floating and how we can see a dime size circle on the top? I'm gonna add a little bit more salt. And I think this should be perfect. Okay, and that's how you want it to look, just like that. So our salt content is perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and pour this inside our jar. Just like this. And you want to fill it to the top, all the way to the top, because it'll start bubbling up and it'll start expanding. And then we are going to, what I did here is I like to press down the cabbage so it won't float up. So I actually pressed it down with the beets so nothing will move up. And I'm gonna go ahead and close our lid on it. And you're gonna leave this at room temperature for 5 days. And this is what our pickled cabbage looks like after 5 days. Refrigerate it after the 5th day and enjoy. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.